Hey, man, we got an EZGO here, and I want to show you this here. If you converted your cart to lithium and it don't run, or if your golf cart don't run first, besides checking battery voltage, this is the first thing you check. Right here, it's going to be a quick video. Your reed switch. This is your reed switch here. All right? It goes over here, and it hooks to the main positive. All right? What you want to do is unplug this like that. Let that hang there. This side here, cut her off, pull her out of there like that, and you want to, oh, he's already got it. Let me show you this here. You take it, go to your micro switch. I don't know why you got three of them, ignore that. Wire it to your first micro switch like this. So I'm gonna put this right here. So I'm gonna put it on the first micro switch. If you have a PDS or the shunt series, whichever one is in the drive series, you just wire your red and white. Take it and you run it to the main positive. That's how you bypass the reed switch. All right, micro switch, positive. Let your wire hang there, man. All right, common problem. If you don't have that problem, bypass it. You will save you the headache of the cart not running one day. If you're working on your car and it don't run, go ahead and bypass it while you're working on it. Eliminate that question. Eliminate any idea of if you think that's a problem or not. But all right, man, stay tuned, man. I'll post more, man. Hit that like button. Subscribe for me. Main thing is watch another video. Hey.